Experiencing issues with your Lorex 4K security camera? This section tackles the most common problems: PoE power and IP network configuration. First, let's check the PoE power. Ensure your camera is receiving enough power, especially if it's a 4K model, which needs around 30 watts. Inspect the Ethernet cable for damage and confirm your PoE switch supports PoE Plus standard. Try a PoE injector if needed. Next, verify the IP configuration. Lorex cameras use either DHCP or static IPs. Access the camera's web interface via its IP address. You can find it using the Lorex app or a network scanner like Fing. Ensure the camera's IP subnet matches your router's subnet. Check port forwarding settings for ports 80 and 554 if you need remote access. A common mistake is IP address conflicts, so double-check that no other device on your network is using the same IP. If PoE and IP checks fail, a factory reset is your next step. Locate the reset pinhole on your Lorex camera, power cycle the device, and then press and hold the reset button for 10 to 20 seconds. This restores the camera to its default settings, clearing any misconfigurations or corrupted firmware. Remember, this will require you to reconfigure the camera via the Lorex app or web interface and repair it with your NVR. Looking ahead, the security camera industry is embracing AI and IoT. Lorex is incorporating features like facial recognition. Future trends include increased PoE adoption, enhanced cybersecurity with end-to-end encryption, and hybrid cloud edge storage. Stay updated on firmware to keep your camera running smooth and securely.